Yep, we are about to clean the refrigerator. Dun, da, da, da. Girl, a white refrigerator. Mind your business. Damn! This is what we are working with. This refrigerator is past due for a cleaning. Yeah, there's some trash in here that we got to get rid of. Yeah. So let's get into it. Let's see what's spoiled. We're gonna work our way from bottom to top. Y'all, my light just cut out. It's not working anymore. I have to get a new light bulb. Where do I get a kitchen, a refrigerator light bulb from? Drop it in the comments because I never bought one before. Alright, let's get this camera right. Let me back it up some. I got my little bleach water in a bowl. I just did a little bleach water. Put a dab of dish detergent. Let me show you the dish detergent that I use. I put a drop of Gain Ultra Clean in there. And for spot cleaning, I'm gonna use Dawn. Now let's see what's in these drawers. Alright, so I don't have anything in here. Pull them out. Let's see what's in here. I should have cleaned this fridge out. And I didn't. I did like a spot clean, but I didn't take anything out. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at all that gunk. Look at that. So we gotta clean this real good. Right, soap. Oh, it came on, y'all. Maybe it's on the timer or something. Yeah, that's gonna have the soap. More dish detergent. Yeah, I think it's on a timer, y'all. Put my head in it. see something on the camera. Like, what is that though? I scroll. Yeah, I see 2 marks. Right. Oh, that's on my phone. I'm going crazy, y'all. I got something on my phone. I'm thinking it's in the refrigerator. We got some ketchup that I know it's not out of date. I just got it. What's this? A little bit of tea left from Wawa. We got till September 17th. We're still in August. Oh, we had this milk so long. Oh, it's not old till August 25th? Today's the 19th. But it don't smell so good, so I'm gonna throw that away. I'm gonna pour it out. Crackers. Child, seeds. I be trying to save seeds. I was gonna put this onion in the ground. You know what? I think I'm still save seeds, just throw the fruit out. Old lime. Got some powdered sugar. Ew. What's the date on this okra? June 22nd. I had this in my refrigerator for 2 months. It's a little juice in there. Best by August 12th or October 12th. Y'all, what's that mixed in with the butter? Do y'all throw y'all country crock container away? Do y'all wash it and use it for something else? I know back in the day, my mama them used to use this as Tupperware. Drop in the comments. Y'all keep it or y'all throw it away? June 19th. Ooh, that was Juneteenth. Independence Day for my skin, folks. Some ranch. What's the date on this? I don't know. No date means going in trash. Got some onion. What's this? Grape. All right. Got this done. Power wash. I be using that on everything. Get it so I can see. I don't want to block your view. it's old or new, take care of it. Make sure it's clean. So you may not have the new stainless steel or the latest refrigerator or the latest gadgets. Whatever you do have, take care of it. Keep it clean. I hear her in the back of my head all the time when stuff get a little messy. I don't know how she kept the house clean. That was insane. My mama had 8 kids, and I don't know how she kept the house clean. We grew up poor. We didn't have a house cleaner and stuff like that, and it was spotless. I have 3 kids, which 2 live with me, and it's hard. But see, I do work full time though. My mama didn't work full time. She did not work full time. Like when sometimes she had jobs, but for the most part, she stayed home with us. And my stepdaddy was working. But my goal is by December 31st, 2023, because we're in 2023. If it can happen before then, ooh, God, I sure appreciate it. But December 31st, 2023, I'm going to be a stay-at-home mom and be a full content creator. So faith without works is dead. So I'm putting in the work. So I could be home and be present with my children. Got a special needs child, and it's hard to, have a full-time job with her. Yeah, this is coming along pretty well. Bought a big thing of cheese. Bought a big thing of cheese from BJ's because my daughter love cheese. Oh, this is the last bit of the tuna fish. My daughter's favorite food. Got 2 bacon ones, 2 strips of bacon. Okay, what is this? That's by October 23rd. Some sour cream. Some lunch meat. Used by October 2nd. Some more ranch. And then see, this is clean, so I'm gonna just organize it. This one's already open, so I'm gonna just put it there. Chloe, bring me that butter. And put plates on the counter. So I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. This is our other country crock. That was that, because I ain't gonna use that butter yet. Put that there. This August 20th, that's tomorrow. I'm throwing it out. Got some cheese. What's the date on here? It says November 16th. Okay, ooh, that's my sister, one of my sister's birthdays. I get this from Aldi's, y'all. It's good to the October 14th. So we start drinking on that. Okay. these almonds. Is this open? Yeah, it is open. Yep. So this is good till December. That. Okay, all the condiments I need to put on the side of the refrigerator. Okay. What's this? Oh, my fish fry. Okay. So I'm gonna keep that there. Let me do something with the onion. I'm going grocery shopping tomorrow, so stay tuned for that little haul. Uh-oh. So I'm gonna do just wipe this part. I don't know if one of these kids touched the camera or what, but I got up and it was not recording. Go sit down somewhere. I swear, they don't be studying me until I'm doing something. As soon as the camera come on, they want to bother me. Put that down there. I'm talking to you. And what I'm about to do is just wipe these down and stick them right on back in the fridge. Chloe, you do not have to act like that. Is your room clean? So if I go in the room, your room will be clean. Go clean the room, because I know it's not clean. Why you crying, Lisa? What's wrong? Come here. What's wrong? Oh yeah, I ain't back of that. Why are you screaming? Yeah, it's just old. Okay, go blow your nose. Chloe, there's plenty of toilet paper in there. This over here to the side. You know what? Let me move this thing. And so right now, this is how the fridge looks. I'm gonna do some grocery shopping tomorrow, and I want y'all to stay tuned for that video. But the refrigerator looks much better, y'all. It's clean. It's clean. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more cleaning videos, please put it in the comments. Please like it so I know. And I mean, I have the best refrigerator, but it's a clean fridge. Now we gotta put some food in here, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. And so it's a little wet on the floor. I'm gonna just take the mop and get this water up. And yeah, I know it's some stuff on the floor I'm gonna sweep, but I need the floor to be dry before I can sweep. So I'm just getting up all the wet marks, all the wet spots. All right, so we are finished. The refrigerator looks so much better. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Give your girl a likey like. Also, please subscribe to our channel. My birthday is up in a couple weeks, September 2nd. All I want for my birthday is 1,000 subscribers. Can we do that? Yes. Thank you guys for rocking with me.